The closest black holes to Earth, a journey into the dark. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape, making them invisible to telescopes. Instead, we detect them through their effects on nearby stars and gas. While many black holes are located in distant parts of the cosmos, some lurk much closer to home. You might be surprised to learn that there are black holes relatively close to Earth, though fortunately, none of them pose a threat to our planet. Let's dive into where these nearby black holes are, how they were discovered, and what makes them so intriguing. What is a black hole? Before exploring the closest black holes, it's essential to understand what they are. A black hole forms when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses under its gravity. If the star is heavy enough, the collapse can lead to a point of infinite density called a singularity, surrounded by an event horizon, which marks the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. There are three main types of black holes. Stellar mass black holes. These form when massive stars collapse and typically range from a few to a few dozen times the mass of our Sun. Supermassive black holes. Found at the centers of galaxies, including our Milky Way, these black holes can be millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. Intermediate black holes. These are thought to be somewhere between stellar and supermassive black holes, though they are more elusive. Now that we have a basic understanding of black holes, let's focus on the ones closest to Earth. The closest black hole, Gaia BH1, 1,560 light-years away. In recent years, astronomers have made exciting discoveries of black holes closer to Earth than previously thought. The closest confirmed black hole is known as Gaia BH1, located about 1,560 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus. To put this distance in perspective, the closest star to Earth after the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is just over 4 light-years away, making Gaia BH1 relatively close on a cosmic scale. Gaia BH1 was discovered using data from the European Space Agency's Gaia satellite, which tracks the positions and motions of stars. This black hole is part of a binary system, meaning it has a companion star. The black hole doesn't emit light, but its presence was inferred from the unusual movements of its companion star, which seemed to be orbiting an invisible object. The unicorn, another nearby black hole. Another black hole discovery, nicknamed the unicorn, was made in 2021 and is located about 1,500 light-years away in the constellation Monoceros. What makes the unicorn especially interesting is that it may be one of the smallest black holes ever detected, with a mass only about 3 times that of the Sun. Most black holes we know of are significantly larger, so finding a small one like this is a rare and exciting event. The unicorn also resides in a binary system, with a red giant star as its companion. The black hole's gravitational influence causes the red giant to behave in strange ways, allowing astronomers to detect its presence. V616 Monocerotis, A06200, 3,500 light-years away. Another relatively close black hole is V660 Monocerotis, or A62000, located about 3,500 light-years away in the constellation Monoceros, which means unicorn, hence the name similarity. This black hole is part of a binary system with a star that is approximately the size of the Sun. A06200 is one of the best-studied stellar mass black holes because of its relatively close proximity to Earth. This black hole has a mass of about 6.6 times that of the Sun, and its companion star is orbiting it at a close distance. Occasionally, material from the star is pulled toward the black hole, heating up and emitting X-rays as it spirals in, which is how scientists first detected the black hole. Cygnus X1, 6,070 light-years away. Cygnus X1 is one of the most famous black holes and one of the first to be discovered, located about 6,170 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. It was first detected in the 1960s as a strong source of X-rays, which suggested that a black hole was pulling material from a nearby massive star. Cygnus X1 is much larger than the black holes in Gaia BH1, or the unicorn, with a mass about 21 times that of the Sun. It also has a bright, massive companion star, which is constantly losing mass to the black hole. As the material falls into the black hole, it heats up and emits powerful X-rays, making Cygnus X1 one of the most studied black holes. Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. While not exactly close, Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy, is about 27,000 light-years away from Earth. It has a mass of about 4 million times that of the Sun. Despite its distance, Sagittarius A plays a crucial role in our understanding of black holes, as it is one of the few supermassive black holes we can observe in detail. Using advanced telescopes, scientists have observed stars orbiting around Sagittarius A at incredibly high speeds, providing strong evidence that a massive, invisible object resides at the heart of our galaxy. In fact, in 2022, astronomers released the first-ever image of this black hole using data from the Event Horizon Telescope, marking a significant milestone in the study of black holes. Unconfirmed candidates. Are there black holes even closer? Interestingly, there may be black holes even closer to Earth, but they have yet to be confirmed. For example, in 2020, a team of astronomers reported finding a black hole just 1,000 light-years away in the constellation Telescopium, within a triple star system called HR 6819. Initially, this black hole was thought to be the closest one ever discovered. However, further analysis revealed that what was thought to be a black hole might actually just be a pair of stars interacting in a complex way, leaving its status as a black hole in question. There's also the possibility that there are many quiet black holes much closer to us that we haven't detected yet. Most black holes are difficult to find because they don't emit light unless they are actively pulling in material from a nearby star. Some astronomers believe there could be tens of millions of black holes in the Milky Way alone, and many of them could be closer to Earth than we realize. What does this mean for Earth? The thought of black holes so close to Earth might seem alarming, but there's no need to worry. Even the nearest black holes are still incredibly far away in human terms. The gravitational influence of these black holes doesn't extend beyond their immediate surroundings, so Earth is perfectly safe from any effects. Moreover, black holes aren't cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck up everything around them. Objects need to be very close to a black hole's event horizon to fall in, so the idea of a black hole suddenly consuming Earth is purely the stuff of science fiction. Why study nearby black holes? Studying nearby black holes is essential for understanding the universe. These black holes provide insight into the life cycles of stars, the behavior of matter in extreme environments, and the fundamental nature of gravity. By observing how black holes interact with their surroundings, scientists can test theories of physics, such as Einstein's theory of general relativity, and gain a better understanding of how the universe works. In conclusion, while black holes may seem distant and otherworldly, some are much closer to Earth than we might expect. From Gaia BH1 and the Unicorn to Cygnus X1 and Sagittarius A Star, these fascinating objects provide a window into some of the most extreme phenomena in the universe. The more we learn about black holes, the more we understand the universe's fundamental forces.